How to transfer video to PC. You can use VideoPad to transfer video to your PC. Download VideoPad from nchsoftware.com/VideoPad. Open VideoPad on your computer and click on the Add Files button located underneath the Home tab. This will launch the File Finder window where you can select the videos on your external device that you wish to transfer to your PC. Click Open to bring them into VideoPad. With VideoPad, you can apply video effects, add music, add text, and crop and trim your video clips however you would like before saving them to your PC. Or you can just add them to your timeline as they are. Once you have your video clips edited and arranged in your timeline, it is time to transfer them to your PC. Click on the File tab and select Export Video from the main menu. This will open the Export Video window where you can select the output destination, file type, and adjust other export settings for your video. Once you have your output settings in place, click the Create button to start the export process. Your videos will be transferred to your PC and appear in your chosen output destination. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.